Hi guys, I hope that you're having an awesome day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a double Louis Vuitton unboxing, so I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started, shall we? I am super pumped for today's video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've already seen these bad boys, but I also want to show you what they fit. I haven't shared that with anybody, and to be completely honest with you, they kind of blew my mind. They kind of blew my mind, one more than the other. And I know that I'm being super vague and I'm not telling you guys what the items are just yet, but oh yeah, we have secured them. Now, these items came out a few years ago, and I am super late to the party on these. No pun intended. Any guesses as to what I snagged? I'm super late to the party. Number one, I'm not the biggest, I've never been the biggest fan of this type of accessory in the past. Even though I always appreciated them, it's not an item that I would normally go for. However, over the last year and a half, I've become very obsessed with this type of accessory. And when they were released a few years ago, I remember, first of all, they were super hard to find. I remember them being sold out everywhere, and I thought they were insanely cute. Absolutely adorable. I wasn't the biggest fan of the price point that they had. I was like, I don't know if I want to drop that kind of money on that type of accessory. So I was like, I don't know. But either way, I appreciated them from afar. And every time I saw someone post it on social media or they did a video of it, I was like, oh my God, it's so cute. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to appreciate it from afar and leave it at that, right? However, in true mini fashion, I couldn't get these items out of my head, okay? I couldn't get them out of my head. And lo and behold, one day I look on the pre-loved market and there they are. Not both of them, because I found one first, then I went hunting for the second one and I found it. So I found one first and I was like, oh my God, I am determined to get the pair. And you know me, when it comes to the pre-loved market, I am looking for a deal, and that is exactly what I got. I'm looking for some savings. I actually snagged both of them on Zenplus. Speaking of Zenplus, I also have a coupon code for them. I will put it right here. Some restrictions do apply and everything will be in the description box below, but definitely check them out. I've talked to you guys about Zenplus before. I think that they are amazing. It is a Japanese shopping platform that sells absolutely everything that you can think of, but the greatest thing of all that they sell, in my opinion, is 100% authentic luxury goods. I mean, they have every brand, they have every style, they have absolutely everything. They have vintage, they have new, and the prices that you pay for the pieces that they have on their website is absolutely insane. They not only sell handbags and small leather goods, they also have clothing, they have jewelry, you name it. They have it on their website, and I promise you, the moment that you go on their website, you're gonna be on there for hours, all right? Because I know I could be on there for hours just looking at everything that they have, but I think that they're absolutely amazing. So again, I do have that code if you guys want to check them out. Okay, so let's get into the bad boys. I'm gonna show you guys the one that I got first. So it did come with the original box, and it also came with the dust bag. Some of you guys are going to think I'm absolutely nuts for going for these. You're going to be like, why? It's so useless. Why did you do it? Like I said, I have been obsessed when it comes to this type of accessory, and I'm here for it. All right. I am absolutely here for it. Oh, but here it is in the dust bag, or here is the dust bag. I'm so excited. I don't even know what the heck I'm saying, but I snagged the Louis Vuitton Party Bum Bag Bracelet. Oh yeah, baby. Look at this. Oh, there goes my voice. So annoying. Let's tone it down. Let's tone it down. Look at this. This is so unbelievably cute. Now, you guys know that when it comes to bag charms, the craziest I ever really got was luggage tags, right? Adding those to my bag. But, you know, then I started to add, you know, chains, and I started to add a little bit more. And I am all about bag charms, even though this is technically a bracelet. I know it's technically a bracelet, but myself, I see this more as a bag charm. I see it more as an itty bitty, teeny tiny catch-all. I don't know, okay, but I think it is so cute. Now, I have seen pictures, I have seen videos of this item, and when I see people sharing it, I'm like, oh yeah, it's really tiny, but I didn't really, calculate, it didn't really make sense in my brain how small it really is, you know? Until I had it in my hands, I was like, oh snap, dude, this thing is tiny. And it's not like, I mean, yeah, you're like, okay, yeah, it's small. Obviously, it fits in the palm of your hand type of thing, but it's the zipper part that kind of blew me away because I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but that wasn't the case. Regardless, I still absolutely love it. I think it is incredible. So I love that it is adjustable. I mean, you can add this on your ankle. Oh yeah, I put it on my ankle. I tried it on my ankle. You could put it on your arm. You could put it on a bag as a bag charm. You could put it on your wrist. I don't like it as a wristlet. It's way too awkward as a wristlet, but look at the details. Oh my God, it's so cute. It even has a little tag right there. So you do have quite a few adjustments on here. And look at the zipper. You have Louis Vuitton engraved on there and it opens up. It's still a smooth zip, so I can appreciate that. But it's the opening that's like, little baby, look at that. You're not fitting like a whole lot in here. I thought maybe I could fit my key fob. I was wrong. I can fit like my teeny tiny lipsticks, and you guys, I'll put a little clip on here so you guys can see exactly what I can fit in here. It's easier to fit them in, taking them out. Now that's a whole other challenge, okay? I'm not gonna say it's easy to get stuff out because it definitely isn't, and you guys are going to see me struggling in that little clip. I imagine this demo is going to go by very quickly, considering that you're not going to be able to fit a whole lot in here, especially because of the zipper. The zipper is very awkward and it's not very generous. But then again, how generous is it going to be considering the size of this thing, right? But what I can tell you, what doesn't fit in here is my key fob. My key fob is way too big, so that's a given. You can fit a combination of these goodies, so it's not too bad. It's somewhat useful, but at the same time, it's taking everything out to get to that one item that I think is really where your patience is going to be tested. Case in point, let's say that you wanted to fit this little lipstick. Like if you have these lipsticks, these are going to be no problem. If you have full-size lipsticks, those definitely won't fit. So let's have a little mini lipstick go in there. Then my headache medicine, that fits in there. Okay, let's do my hair clips. Then I have my hair tie. And one little mini lipstick, second little mini lipstick. And can I fit anything else in here? Let's go for my little switchblade. Let's see if I can fit this guy in there as well. Yeah, so I can fit that in. Can I zip it up? Can I zip it up? I can zip it up. It seems like it's a little wonky up here, not too bad, but it fits, right? It fits a lot more than I thought. But here's the problem. Hey, Minnie, can I have some headache medicine? Sure. Let me take all this stuff out in order to get to that one item. Like, who has the patience for that? I don't. I definitely don't. I think it's cute for like 5 seconds. And then after that, I'm like, I am over it. That's why I really see myself mostly using this as a little bag charm. Or if I wanted to use it just for my hair clips or my hair ties, then I can do that instead of using my key pouch. Because you guys know sometimes I use it my key pouch for that. But yeah, look at that. Digging into it, not very friendly for those that have no patience on it, you know, but it's cute. It's super, super cute. So like I said, change will fit in there. If you want to wad up your cash a million times, you can fit that in there. But this is probably the biggest I would go with any type of little mini lipstick. Anything bigger than this is just way too big. But these types of little perfumes can fit in there as well. So like I said, a whole combination of these goodies can fit in there, no problem. I forgot to include some keys. So here I have 4 keys that I'd be able to fit in there, no problem. So if you just wanted to carry your office keys or what have you, you can do that in this little guy and maybe a little lipstick. You know, we go back to the whole playing around with it and see what you want to carry in there. And just to give you guys a quick size comparison, here is the bum bag bracelet, and here is the micro pochette from the Takashi Murakami collection. This pochette is a lot bigger. Like I can fit a lot more in here than I can in this guy. Again, because of the zipper. I thought that the zipper went from here to here, and no, it's a lot smaller. Look at that. But come on. This is stupid cute. Stupid cute. I know that it might be somewhat useless, all right? I fully agree and I fully understand. But even with that said, I don't care. I do not care because like I said, I drooled about these items for years and years and years. I couldn't get my hands on them. And the price point that they had, I think that they had them at, what was it, like $730 or $780, something like that, right? And I'm like, I don't know, dude, $800 for like a little bag charm that doesn't really fit a whole lot, obviously. So I was like, I wasn't the keenest on doing that, right? But I did snag it on Zenplus I paid $500. 500 bucks, like right, a little over 500 bucks. So I was able to save some from the retail price, and it was in brand new condition. Absolutely brand new condition. It had the stickers, it had everything. I was like, oh my God, that is amazing. So I was able to save some money on something that had been somewhat haunting my dreams for quite some time, you know? But come on, absolutely adorable. I could picture this on my bum bag, on like my OG bum bag. I think it would look adorable. I mean, I've seen this thing on the pre-loved market going for like 1,500 bucks, 1,600 bucks. I saw some person selling it for like $2,000. I'm like, dude, you're nuts. $2,000 for something like this? Absolutely not, you know? But to each their own. So again, the fact that I was able to snag it at a little over 500 bucks, I thought that was great considering that it retailed for a little bit more, you know? So I'm happy. I am super, super happy. Okay, so obviously we all know what's in box number 2, but it did come with the original box. It also came with a dust bag. And oh my God, I am crazy. I am so crazy about these items. I picked up the Louis Vuitton Party Palm Springs backpack bracelet. I mean, look at this. This is like, it fits in the palm of my hand. Stupid cute, but this one is a lot more functional than the mini bum bag or the party bum bag. I think this one is cuter, but this one fits a whole lot more. But look at this. It's so cute. It's so teeny tiny. And you have a little slip pocket here. I didn't even know that. I never even knew that it had a teeny tiny little slip pocket here. I mean, what are you gonna fit in there? I can imagine you folding up cash like 10 different times to fit it in there. No, but so you have a little slip pocket, and I forgot to give you guys a little tour of it. But you have a little zipper, the exposed zipper, and one open compartment. And you do have microfiber lining in there. I know that it's a little bit hard to tell, but this one you can definitely get away with carrying a lot more in here. Look at, you have the little handle up there. And with this guy, you can take this off completely. So if you wanted to use this to add the strap up here and add it as a back charm, or if you wanted to add a D-ring on here, you could do that. You can use this as a wristlet. You can use it as a little armband. You can also put this on your ankle. I know you guys are like, Minnie, why would you put these things on your ankle? That looks so stupid. I disagree. I think it looks super, super cute. Granted, this on the ankle looks more like a house arrest ankle monitor. That's the first thing out of my husband's mouth. I put it on. He's like, it looks like an ankle monitor. I'm like, awesome, absolutely amazing. But he wasn't wrong, right? Because it does look like that. From far away, like I can imagine people thinking that's what it is, right? But I mean, it's cute. It's a lot more versatile and stupid cute, but useless for the win when it comes to this guy. So with this one, again, I will put a little clip so you guys can see what I can fit in here. Now this little guy fits a lot more because I feel like it's a lot more generous considering its size, but if I wanted to use it just for my keys, I can do that. Right, so there's my keys. And if I wanted to close it up, it's gonna be closed, but bam, if I wanted to use it for my keys. I know that a lot of people use this for their AirPods. I don't have AirPods. The Hubs has AirPods, but if I wanted to leave the keys out, let's say I wanted to go for one lipstick here, my headache medicine there. I want to go for a little perfume here. And I have my Band-Aids. Let's go for my little switchblade. And even then, I feel like I'm playing Tetris trying to fit everything in here. Then let's go for my hair clips. I'll go for my little Tic Tacs. Do those fit in there? Do they fit in there? Okay. Let's go for this other little lipstick. Another little lipstick. Does that fit in there? Am I pushing the envelope a little too much? Maybe. Maybe, yeah. Let's just do one. And let's do my hair guy. Ta-da-da-da, moment of truth. I can close it up, no problem. So I like this because it's a lot roomier, and I love that I can actually see what the heck I want to, take out. So it's not too difficult. This guy's
not really cooperating with me. But besides that, look, you can see everything at a glance. Okay, if I want to get to the perfume, I could take the perfume out and then I could put it back in without having to take everything else out, right? So I like this a lot more. So as I mentioned, this is going to be perfect for me to use for when we walk Theo, and I have his business bags in here, no problem. But I also wanted to show you guys how the cash would be if you wanted to fold it up. I'm not too crazy about folding up cash and carrying this stuff together. I'd rather have the cash separately, but you could fit that in there as well. So you can fit your cash, maybe put your change in there as well. So you could do that, you know, so I like it. I like it. What if I wanted to just do lipsticks? Oh, I could just do the lipsticks. Where'd it go? Little lipsticks. My little mini lipstick holder. Look at that. Let's see. Can I fit this? Why would I put this in here? That's stupid. But I mean, if you wanted to, you could play around with it. Let's say I wanted to fit these Manuka honey cough drops that I'm still carrying with me because they were lifesavers the month of December, but love that. So much more. I mean, I feel like there's so many more possibilities with how you can incorporate this little guy.
Put these two, look at that, side by side. Both of them, no, they don't both fit in my hand, but come on, so cute. And are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I like that they also have the treated leather because it makes it a lot more carefree. I mean, if you wanted to use it on your arm right here, I'm looking forward to using the little backpack when we go walk Theo, so I can put his little business bags in there and my house keys. Look at that. Oh my God, dude, that is adorable. The pair together, I mean, the Palm Springs mini backpack is already a smaller backpack, but insanely functional, right? And then you have the little bag charm on there. Oh my God, come on. Come on. The cuteness factor on this is like 20 out of 10, at least in my opinion. Look at that. It's like the baby and then the mama. Oh man. I think it is absolutely amazing. Again, I made that squealing, like that happy giddiness when I opened up the package because I could not believe it. I was like, finally I got these two, you know, but as I said before, I know that bag charms aren't everyone's cup of tea. They weren't my bag charm They weren't my cup of tea for the longest time. But now I'm obsessed with adding a little bit more personality to the handbags. Not that they necessarily need it, but I mean, I kind of view it the way that I did backpacks. When I was in high school, when I was in school, I always had keychains. Like I always had something hanging from my backpack. So when this whole trend about adding, you know, all these charms to your bag came about, I jumped on it. I absolutely jumped on it. I was here for it because again, I liked that when I was in school, I could kind of add a little bit more personality. I could add a little bit more flair to my backpack, you know? So for me, it's kind of the same thing. I don't know. That's the way that I see it. Let me know if you guys feel the same way. But what do we think about these bad boys? Super cute, right? Stupid cute. This one a little bit more useless, but still adorable. This one, super cute and functional. I almost said something else. But anyways, there we go. That does it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you guys in my next one. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not. The choice is yours. Have a great day.